Find the value of k for which the roots are real and equal in each of the following equations. Kx square plus 4x plus 1 equal to 0, and second kx square minus 2 under root 5 into x plus 4 equal to 0. As we know that for real and equal roots the condition is d equal to 0. For real and distinct roots the condition is d greater than 0, and for real roots d greater or equal to 0, and for non-real roots we have d less than 0. So there are 4 conditions to find the nature of the roots. So here we have to find the roots are real and equal. So we use the formula d equal to 0 for real and equal root. So solution, first, given that the given equation kx square plus 4x plus 1 equal to 0, here a is equal to k, b is equal to 4 and c is equal to 1. We know that a is which is the coefficient of x square which is k, b means the coefficient of x which is 4, and c constant term which is 1. Now to find the value of d, which is b square minus 4ac. So 4 का whole square minus 4 into k into 1, it gives 16 minus 4k. Since for real and equal roots we have to find the roots are find the value of k for roots are real and equal. Since for roots are real and equal, we have d equal to 0. This implies that 16 minus 4k is equal to 0, or 16 is equal to 4k, or k is equal to 16 upon 4 gives 4. So we can say that the value of k is 4. This is our required solution. For second question, to find the value of k for which the roots are real and equal, write the equations. Solution, that the given quadratic equation is the given equation kx square minus 2 under root 5 into x plus 4 equal to 0. Here a is equal to k, b equal to minus 2 under root 5 and c is equal to 4. Now we have to find the value of d, which is b square minus 4ac. So d is equal to b square minus 4ac. It is the formula. B means 2 under root 5 whole square minus 4 into k into 4, minus k square plus 2 square 4 2 root 5 whole square means 20, 2 ka square 4 into 5 gives 40, minus 16k. So d is 20 minus 16k. For real roots, for real and equal roots, we know that for real and equal roots d equal to 0. So we have d equal to 0. This implies that 20 minus 16k equal to 0, or 20 is equal to 16k, or 20 upon 16 is equal to k, and after simplification we have k equal to, it is divided by 4, so it becomes 4 5 ka 20, 4 4 ka 16, so the value of k is 5 by 4. This is our required solution. Next, find the value of k for which the roots are real and equal in each of the following equation. Question number 3 is 3x square minus 5px plus 2k equal to 0, and the fourth is 4x square plus kx plus 9 equal to 0. तो पहले हम थर्ड लगाते हैं. First of all, write the solution. The given equation is 3x square minus 5px plus 2k equal to 0. Here the coefficient of x square is 3, so a is equal to 3. The coefficient of x is minus 5, so b equal to minus 5, and the constant term is 2k, so it becomes c is equal to 2k. Now to find the value of b square minus 4ac, which is represented by d, so d is equal to b square minus 4ac. As we know that to find the nature of root, first we find out the value of d. Minus 5 का whole square minus 4 into 3 into 2k, it gives 25 24k. 4 3 12 into 24 into k, 24k. So it is the value of D. For real and equal roots, again we know that for real and equal roots D equal to 0, this implies that 25 minus 24k equal to 0, or 25 is equal to 24k, or k is equal to 25 by 24. This is our required solution. To find the value of k, for which the roots of the given equation real and equal, and the equation is 4x square plus kx plus 9 equal to 0. But the given equation is 4x square kx plus 9 equal to 0. Here a equal to 4, b equal to k and c equal to 9. Now b इक्वल टू होता है बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac, सो k का स्क्वायर माइनस, बिकॉज b के स्क्वायर माइनस 4 इंटू 9, इट गिव्स एक्चुअली 4 इंटू 9, चाहो तो मल्टीप्लाई कर रहने दो, नो नीड ऑफ इट. 4 इंटू 9, इट इज द सेम वैल्यू. सिंस फॉर रियल एंड इक्वल roots d equal to 0, this implies that k square minus 4 into 9 equal to 0. This implies that k square is equal to 4 into 9, or this implies that k is equal to plus minus under root 4 into 9. So k is equal to plus minus 4 into 3. This k is equal to plus minus 12. These are the extra terms, so you have to change it. जैसा कि आपको पता है कि 4 इंटू 4 का स्क्वायर रूट 4 होगा, 9 का 3 होगा, सो इसलिए यहाँ पे डायरेक्ट हमने मल्टीप्लाई नहीं किया है. मल्टीप्लाई करते फिर इसका स्क्वायर रूट लिया जाता है. इट इज़ द लॉन्ग प्रोसेस. तो बिना मल्टीप्लाई किए ही आप इसी तरीके से इसे फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं वैल्यू आपके. ओके, दिस इज आवर रिक्वायर्ड सोल्यूशन, k इक्वल टू प्लस माइनस 12.